I have not gotten any sleep at all. I'm fucking tired. But good news, we're getting my car back! Right now, they just fucking called me. Getting my car back. We're getting my car back, baby. Woo! Let's go. I'm so happy. Man, I'm so tired. No sleep. I'm getting my car back. Finally, after 4 days. Let's go pick it up. We're here. I see my car right there. Can't even see. Big ass shit. Car's right there. You'll see it. Right there, right there. We're here. So here's the result on the car. Looks brand new. Looks like it wasn't even there. Right here. That's where it was, right here at the dent. But there's nothing there. Looks brand new. They obviously they washed it, waxed it, buffed it. It looks, wow. It looks brand new. Wow. They did a fucking awesome job. Wow. 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 I'm just, wow. Shout out to Sudden Impact here in Mundelein, the collision center. Here. Collision center, right there in Mundelein. Go get, if you need body work, I recommend them. Wow, this is amazing. They not only did they wow, it's zoomed in. This is awkward. Not only did they did a phenomenal job. Wow, I'm really impressed. They washed it, buffed it, and waxed it, which is wow. Man, that's really good customer service. That's really good. And yeah, they're on the corner. Not really corner, but you have to take a left. And here's how it looks. Again, I really recommend them for obviously insurance covered it all. I just had to pay a deductible, but I'll get that back since the other person's fault. So, man, oh my god. Here, I need to get it. I want to drive. See. Cold start, baby. Baby, I missed you. I missed you. Oh my god. Wow. Warm up a little. Let's go. Back in business. They fixed the rim. Wow. They did fix the rim. Sheesh. They did everything. Why don't they? They did the exhaust without it. No, not the exhaust. Looking crisp. I need to go to Target. I need to get a fucking brand new fan. A brand new fan, because I can't sleep without a fan. And the one I have right now is broken. So fuck it. New fan. I'm in the men's section. Yo, they got some drip, low key. $12. Not bad. Got some drip. It's oddly busy in Target for some reason. Pretty packed. Yeah, flannels. These are clean. $28. Clean. I might have to spend a check here. No, it's it's really packed in here. At least on the other side of this. Things are over here. They have to be by the vacuum. I think I see them. Voila. Dyson, how much are they? fucking $1,000 and shit. They don't even have them in stock. It must be that good, huh? All I know is that they're crazy expensive. They look so dope. I might get that one though, the tower one. Fuck it. Look at this parking lot. Busy as shit. Sheesh. Oh. I break it and shit. But just sitting down. Fucking $79.
Just dropped it
Sorry
off
for the interruption.
Done?
Yeah, obviously it's a new day.
So we're gonna pick up my car.
I dropped off my car
clutch,
to the shop
finally, man,
to get a new clutch on.
And done right now. So apparently my brother's at work, so he can't really take me. My grandma's gonna take me, so he should be here like any second now.
All done. Now we just pay.
Alright, appreciate you, sir. Just let me know if y'all run into a cheaper engine.
Hey, what's up, man? Here to pick up my SI, the red one. Yes. 5 even? Sounds good. No troubles or anything? All clean? What's up, bro? No troubles? No troubles? Easy? It was good, bro?
Okay.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Appreciate it. Rest in peace. My bank account. 500 even. Oh shit. Oh, unfortunate. I'm wearing blue with my red car. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. I put my foot on the clutch. Wow. 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 Yeah, my hair's a mess. I've been growing it. Sort of. Wow. It started up. Spent 5 on my fucking clutch, but hey, you gotta buy parts. I'm no mechanic, I'm no professional. Like, I can't do any of that high performance stuff like turbos and clutches and all that stuff. So I go over here to these guys right here. Fuck, I can't get the. Oh, nice, buddy. Ruined my video. I'm just playing. Oh, here. If you guys need any work done to your car, they do everything here. Like, they literally do everything. Northside Auto Service. Hit them up. They do a really good job. They're like probably a few people to trust with my car because they're like really good, and I know they're 2 brothers. They work here. Shout out to Javier and Enrique. They do a really good job. Enrique actually has been doing my car lately. He takes care of me. He's the best. They both have Evos, Hondas, they have STIs. They're really dope people. I appreciate them. They're cool as fuck. So oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. I don't know how they hold the camera
camera when they're driving. It feels amazing. I need something to stand the camera. Why is my screen black? Type F. Somebody's lost power. Push and hold the power button. What? That's weird. There's no way I'm gonna hold this. There's no way to shift and actually hold the camera. Maybe there is in this ass. Oh my god. I'm going 60, it doesn't even feel like 60. I need to get something to hold my camera. No way I'm gonna be ripping through ears and record myself at the same time. There's no way. There's no way. There's no actual way I can put my camera anywhere because this car has no fucking space. Unfortunate. Driving around for a bit, you know, for like 30 minutes or so, and man, the clutch, it feels fucking amazing. I love it. Yeah, unfortunately I couldn't get any of the footage for the actual installment. It only took a day, so I couldn't get any footage of the clutch install, but it is what it is. I just got it in, but other installments I'm gonna get on camera. It's just I need to sleep, and I didn't have the day off, so I worked that night, so I can't be at the shop all day just recording. I love it. It's a more any aftermarket clutch compared to stock, it's gonna feel more stiff, and actually doesn't feel that stiff. I'm actually surprised, which is really good. I'll put my little tight right there. I mean, when I don't want to like get on it too bad because I need to get a tune. So yeah. All right guys, I just got back from picking up my car. Clutch is good. Now I don't have to worry about slipping. So we should be good on that. Another thing, PlayStation. Yeah, another thing is, yeah, I apologize for not recording it. Like I said, I had to work. If I had that day off, it only took a day. And Enrique did a really good job. He does most of my work on my car. And yeah, it runs smooth. What's next for the SI? What's next is the flex fuel kit. That is next on the list for the build. I'm probably gonna install that myself, or me and my dad are. Then next after that, a tune, and we should be in the 300 range, or over 300, maybe 315-ish, 320. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you watch this far, you're a real one. I appreciate you. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I didn't want to make this channel is not going to be only a car channel. It's not going to be only showing my build, because I'm gonna do everything.
of vlogs, food reviews, or like challenges, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm trying my best, but content wise, I'm using the G7X Mark. I think this is it's a Mark III, which is a really good small camera. It gets the job done. So just bear with me. I'm out, guys.